Edo State Commissioner for Mining and Energy, Edo Govumet, don carry waka enter Ajoki community for Ovia North-East local government area for Edo State for the commissioning of the 24-hour gas-powered electricity project wey Nigeria National Petroleum Company (NNPC) and Sahara Energy Resources do for the community.
On behalf of NNPC Limited and Energy Resources Limited, Sahara Group of companies, we commissioned this electrification project to the glory of God and the benefit of the people of Ajoki community, in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit.
Dayo Obele wey monitor the project talk say the project go help the community get light 24 hours and our gas go dey generate the light.
This event what we do na to commission the Ajoki electrification project where Sahara together with its partner NNPC have jointly collaborated to fund. So what I talk, they say these two companies, Sahara Energy, represented by Energy Resources Limited, and the NNPC, now two of them will come together to fund this electrification project for the Ajoki community where Sahara they operate. This project, this electrification project, now one will be say it will provide 24 hours electricity for the community. So as I speak to you, the community where they talk, the Ajoki community, now 24 hours electricity where they get using gas to power fuel source. So before now 12 hours now in Sahara, 12 hours of electricity now in Sahara they supply the community. But this project now, what we don't do now, the project, the electrification project, they run on gas supply. So gas supply, they as a source of fuel, then they take convert to electricity, where then they supply the community so that the community go get electricity to use. So we are thankful. We dey happy say the community support Sahara Energy for the operations where they do, then they peaceful and everything they good.
Some of the community people wey follow TMC TV tori people talk say all the waiting them they use the light do, na night them they do and sake of say na only for night that they get light before. They come through a salute give the people wey do the light project for them.
We are so happy. Ever since 12 hours now they use light. During the day, darkness, nothing as we not they benefit anything, we not they use the light 820. Like we will get things for us like electrical car, all those stuff. We not the feel, but now we are so happy with the light. Those with their drink business, they see light whether they use now. And those one we say they do barbing with hairdressing salon. Light they now for afternoon business. Before people go come, they can't do things for night. Maybe my woman now, if he come, he won't do hair. He go for night instead of afternoon when he go take do hair, do things with me for us. He go do hair for night. That time I dey always there, but now I dey happy for this 24 hours light.
We are happy for giving us 24 hours light. We thank God. We thank the Sahara Energy, and also the refreshment they give to us. We thank them. Their products will go very well, day and night. There's no obstruction. No anybody will go against them. So we thank God for our Ajoki community. That the name Ajoki community has 24-hour light, where other people like the township does not have. Who did this is Sahara Energy. We thank God for that. We thank the management board, the man who owns the company, Sahara Energy. We thank her or he very well for what he do to us. And also we thank the people who work with the Sahara Energy. They will better also as a Sahara Energy, the management employ them. They will get people who will work with them also. In Jesus' name.
It's very nice. We enjoy it. We enjoy the NNPC. We enjoy night. We enjoy the situation. People will be like, we're very happy now. We're very happy. We enjoy ourselves. Mostly the day and night, 24 hours. We enjoy it.
Edo Govumet wey be the commissioner for mining and energy talk say the light na 1 megawatt and make the community them collaborate with the people wey they do the project sake of say this na wetin them they call community social responsibility CSR. Edo Govumet talk say Edo state government go still bring telephone network and other things wey they need come the community.
We come here commission power project for Ajoki community. After the commission we don't do again, the state government will come support them for telephone network and some other infrastructure where they need. This work was done by a company called Sahara Energy and Energy Company. They then do the work for the community. We happy well. We advise to the community say make they continue to protect the facilities where this company bring come.
Remember, say our radio station don dey run 24 hours for Radio Garden. Just search for TMC Radio, you go see us there. Kwankam. And make una not forget say your vote na your strength and right. Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.